What's going on, PonPon Gang? Welcome back to our channel, PonPon Sisters. My name is Shantae. I am the mother of the three beautiful PonPon Sisters. And on this video, I'm about to get ready to go out for New Year's Eve. I will be spending it with family, and we're having a small little get together. We'll be having drinks and ring in the new year and go to bed. So if you don't know because you decided to live under a rock and don't check out our YouTube channel, I made my own makeup palette. Look at it. So I made it like, I guess, New Year's Eve theme, and I even named all the shadows in here. So we have, hold on, I wrote it down because I don't remember it. Hold on. At the top here, we have all that glitters, countdown, ball drop, champagne, toast, cheers, NYE 2020, and midnight. So we're about to go ahead and play with it because the last video I just showed how I made it. I didn't really, I did some swatches, but I haven't actually worn it yet. So this will be my first time actually putting it on and creating a look for it. So I already have my foundation on. We're all set on that part. All I really need to do is put my eyeshadow on. My husband is in the shower, so I only have probably about 15 minutes to get ready. So this is going to be something quick and simple. And like I said, I'm hanging out with family, so I'm not going to do anything crazy dramatic. But I am going to apply some powder under my eye because I might experience some fallout from these shadows, and I don't want them to mess up my eyeshadow or my foundation. So